Good morning, class. Find the area of region represented by the set of points x, y such that x square plus y square is less than or equal to 1 is less than or equal to x plus y. Let R equal x, y such that x square plus y square less than or equal to 1. Now we can divide this whole region in two parts such that x, y, x square plus y square is less than or equal to 1. Intersection x, y 1 is less than or equal to x plus y. Let it is region R1 and it is R2. Then we have R1 intersection. We have to find R1 intersection R2, where R1 equal x, y, x square plus y square and R2 is the region one is less than or equal to x plus y. Now for region R1, region R1 we have equation. Consider the equation x square plus y square equal 1. If we put which is equation of circle with center zero comma 0. If we put x equals 0, y equals 0 in x square plus y square is less than equal to 1, we have 0 is less than equal to 1, which is true. That is R1 represents the interior part of circle. Means if it is circle with center 0 comma 0, then R1 and R1 satisfy the relation 0 is less than or equal to A1, means R1 represents the interior part of circle. We have R1 represent the interior part of circle, means the solution set of x square plus y square is less than or equal to 1 is this region, this interior region. Now for region R2, consider the equation. X is x plus y equal 1, which cuts the axes at 1, 0 and 0, 1. It is a line which cuts the x-axis at 1, 0 and y-axis at 0, 1. If we put x equals 0, y equals 0 in 1 is less than or equal to x plus y, we have 1 is less than or equal to 0, which is false. So R2 is the reason. Let it is 1, 0, 0, 1. It is line x plus y equal 1. Then R2 is the region lying above the line x plus y equal 1. Means since this line does not satisfy the origin, means we have the solution region lying above the line x plus y equal 1. And it is the common region. Now we have to find this common region. We have intersection points 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1. Then area bounded by the curve is 0 to 1. Upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is a circle. Upper curve is a circle. Means it is y1 minus y2 dx, and y1 is a circle. The value of y is 1 minus x square, and y2 is a line. It is 1 minus x dx. By the formula x by 2 under root 1 minus x square a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. 0 to 1 we have x minus x square by 2, 0 to 1. Put upper limit x equal 1, we have 0 minus half sine inverse 1 minus lower limit 0 minus sine inverse 0, it is 0 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. -1/2 into pi/2, and it is plus x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. It is minus half, and we have pi/4 minus 1/2 square unit is bounded area.